Hello guys, good morning. Ayan, so today's Tuesday. Nandun pa rin sa Costa Rica ang asawa ko. He took a lot of clips guys and I have a lot to share with you. So watch out for that if you're interested about Costa Rica, ganon. And yeah, hindi ako nakagawa ng videos lately kasi it's really been raining here. 3 weeks na sunod-sunod na umuulan talaga siya like araw-araw. And yeah, parang intermittent yung like almost throughout the day, ganon. So anyway, yeah, I also took the opportunity na mag homeschool ako sa anak ko. Mga ilang days na ba nawala ang asawa ko. So I've really been trying to focus with her sa kanyang homeschool. And also, nagkasakit ang anak ko guys. Nagkasakit siya last Friday. Friday night, she started complaining of sore throat, ganon. So, ginawan ko siya ng ginger tea. And, yeah, naubusan na kami ng ginger guys. Kaya, we cannot go out yet. So, nag-order na lang ako ng groceries online. The good thing about here, mga friends, I know na dyan din sa Pilipinas, parang pwede ka na rin mag-order online, like ng mga food, ganyan. But I don't know about the groceries. But over here, you can order groceries online, tapos i-deliver nila sa inyo. So, yan, naubusan na kami ng gatas, and yan, nag-order na rin ako nito guys. So, yan, ini sa Walmart. Paborito kasi namin ito. And then, meron din tayong gatas. Tapos, ginger guys, bumili ako ng maraming I think 1 pound na ginger. Klaro ba? Ayan, halata. Ginger. Konti lang naman yung pinamili ko. And then, meron tayong itlog. Tapos, bumili ako ng dalawang sugar. Brown talaga yung ginagamit namin na sugar, guys. And then, meron tayong soy sauce. Tapos, ano pa ba? Macaroni. Yan. So, yung paborito namin na macaroni, guys, macaroni and cheese, naubusan na kasi sila. So, sinasagot na lang nila. And then, yeah, Lysol. Yan, kasi kailangan natin yan sa bahay. Lagay ko na lang siya dito ka. Ay, bilang ko pala ito dito na Tapos dito siya, meron tayong toothpaste. And chicken bouillon. Yan. Ang toothpaste, hindi ko na, when I was shopping online, hindi ko na siya chinek kung gaano kalaki. So, maliit lang pala yun siya. Itaka ko, bakit $1 lang? Charot. Yan. Tapos, ano pa ba? Ito, garlic. Lagyan natin yan dyan. And then, ang maliit na vinegar. Yan. Walmart brand. Yeah, so, before nga pala pumunta ng Costa Rica yung asawa ko, nakapag-shopping na naman kami. But, yeah, it wasn't enough kasi kailangan talaga, especially sa vegetables, yan, hindi talaga ako nakakapag-stock up ng marami. Yan. So, that's it guys. And by the way, dumating na pala yung order ko na mga books para sa aking anak. Ipapakita ko sa inyo later guys. Yan, so nabuksan ko na yung mga ano guys, yung mga in-order ko na books for my daughter. These are the supplemental books na sinasabi ko sa inyo na I always buy for my daughter. So bumili ako ng reading from Kumon Company, grade 5. Ayan, so ipapakita ko lang sa inyo guys ha, quickly kasi hindi ko pa rin siya natingnan. So, yan, ito siya. So if you're a homeschooler or homeschooling mom, yeah, you can take a look. Baka interesado kayo. Yan. And then meron din tayong another reading from Spectrum. Level 5 din siya. Ito siya. And then, yan. Kasi importante talaga ang pagbabasa sa amin. Yan. Yan. And then, meron din tayong another book from Spectrum. Writing guys. Ito yung writing natin. Ito yung sample guys. Oh. Yan. How to take notes. Yan. Taking notes. And then, cause and effect organization. Ganyan. And then, ano pa ba? Okay, so the writing process. Meron tayo dito writing process. Yan. And then, bumili din ako ng spelling book from Spectrum. Also, level 5. Yan. Mga simple lang naman ang mga words, guys. Ito. At least she has something to do, you know, to keep her busy while mommy is not home. Okay. So, ito, parang may story din siya. Yan. And then also, I purchased this small, planner for myself.
10 seconds later.
Ito guys, so gumagawa ako ng sandwich. Yan, for my daughter. Medyo late na kaming natulog guys. O, pasensya na baka, ano na lang. Yan. Anyway, medyo late na kaming natulog guys kasi we're not planning to go anywhere. Kasi may sakit ang anak ko. Pero, hopefully later, may araw pa rin, mga 4 or 5. Gusto naming pumunta sa pan. Diyan lang naman guys. Yan. Para i-feed namin yung mga ducks. Yan. Yan yung pond na kung saan nilagay namin yung aming isda na si Vertigo. Yan. Sometimes binivisit pa rin namin siya guys. Hopefully, you know, by chance, magpakita siya. Yan. So, hindi ko makain ng yung crust ng bread yung anak ko guys. Pinapatanggal niya talaga. Kaya kinakat ko yung sides na bread. Yan. May mga kilala din akong bata dito na hindi mahilig sa crust.
Meanwhile,
I don't have no cash on me, so I gotta go to ATM. I want to take the bus to go to Limon, and they don't do the debit card. They don't do debit card. So I gotta go. Debit card. Look at that mountain. Alright, right now I'm in the bus terminal. I had to run to an ATM to buy my ticket because they only take cash. So I got the cash for the long walk. And my bus is at 10:30. Probably about another 15 minutes. Okay. Probably another 15 minutes. Let's take a look. That's my bus. Going to Limon. Jose to Limon. Just got on the bus. It's a double-decker bus. First floor and the second floor. We're leaving. We're loading up.
She's getting ready na guys, kay mag-homeschool siya. I gave her a lot of time to play today. And I gave her some screen time. Yeah. Okay, so nagpo-fold lang ako ng mga ano guys, ng mga pinaglabhan ko. So nagho-homeschool pa rin ang anak ko guys. She's doing her reading. She already did her language and arts. And then right now she's doing her reading. After that, gagawin niya yung spelling niya. So ako naman, nagluluto ako ng mac and cheese for both of us. And then gagawa ako ng rice. And after this, magluluto ako ng sotanghon. Yeah, sotanghon guys. Na-loading na po ko, kaya late ko natulog ko gabi. Yeah, ito. Magluluto ako ng siguro isa lang na sotanghon. Isa lang ba di siya kakuan? Yeah, isa lang. Tapos, yeah, and then gagawin ko ito guys, oh, kasi ano na siya, masyado yung soft ba. Gagawin ko na lang siyang banana bread. Yun. So, yan lang yung gagawin nating dinner for tonight. Yeah. So, nasa na pala guys, nasa limon na yung asawa ko. Yeah, when we went to Costa Rica, I appreciate Limon better than San Jose. Kasi yung San Jose guys, especially doon sa area ng mama niya, kung saan sila nakatira, medyo parang madami ng mga there are a lot of houses. Parang for me, it's like crowded. San Jose is a crowded area for me. So, San Jose kasi yung medyo parang city nila guys. Pero, yung area talaga ng San Jose, yun yung typically yung mountain tops, ganun. Tapos, parang nasa ilalim yung Limon, yan. Pero, parang laid back, kung yung nasa lifestyle lang, parang laid back yung Limon compared to San Jose. Ayan, so, yeah. Tinininit. So, ito na yung ating mac and cheese, guys. Oh, yan. Tapos, meron na siyang ganitong packet. Yan. So, hahatiin ko lang din ito. And then, yeah. Baka lalagyan ko siya ng konting, milk pag ma-absorb niya na yung water. And then, I save half of the macaroni para bukas or sa Thursday. Yan. And then, magluluto na rin tayo ng rice. Oh my goodness. Pahirapan na talaga ito. Makapag-vlog lang. Yan. So, this week nababalik ang asawa ko. Pero, hindi ako papasok until Friday. Yan.
Guys, is this a normal pencil? Guys, look, is this a normal pencil? It's a normal pencil, right? Tada! Still a normal pencil, but it has another pencil, right?
Ito na yung mac and cheese natin, guys. Oh, ayan. So, binigyan ko na si Rachel. Ito naman yung aking portion. Ayan. So, magluto muna tayo ng guys. The time right now is, yan, 5:37. Okay, so right now, magluluto tayo ng sotanghon soup. So, ginanyan ko lang muna siya guys para ma-absorb yung Wala kasi akong guys, if may option lang talaga ako, gusto ko sana what you call this, carrot lang sana at saka cabbage. Pero since wala tayong cabbage, na lang, chayote na lang yung gamitin natin. Yan. Then meron tayo ditong bell pepper.